May 22nd, Sunday, along the Chicago River, right across the street from my condominium here on the river between Dearborn and State Street. Here's a tourist boat going by. They're the only boats that go by. No freight boats go by here. Ah, you want to see where I live? Okay, we'll go upstairs here and we'll look at my apartment. But we want to go slow. There we go. I can see my furniture. Actually, I'm just saying that. Here we go down, 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 back at the water level. And now we're going to look at the State Street Bridge. Well, and there's the American Medical Association with its ivy-covered wall there. It used to be the IBM building. It's the last Beast Mandarill building. This is Bertrand Goldberg on the other side. He was a student of these. Okay. We're quickly going along the river again. The first kayaker that I've seen this year. Here's a boat trying to dock. There's two boats here. Here are the Sunday tourists. A lot of people are going by here all the time. This is looking down the river, under the Wabash Bridge to the Michigan Avenue, and on the left, coming into the screen, will be the Chicago taxi with its yellow taxi. It looks good. It's a good color. It's still coming. There it is. Okay. And into the sun on the other side. It's under the river. It's under the bridge. There it is, in the sun. And in the rising sun, because this is being taken around 12 o'clock on May the 21st, Sunday. A nice leisurely day in Chicago. I don't know anybody in this picture. I'm just taking pictures of, and this is the State Street Bridge. And there, in case you ever get here and you see someone who needs help, there is the life rescue device. Thank you.